Yeah. Oh, the concrete truck's moving back. It must be empty. Poured out all the concrete. So now the concrete truck's moving. I wonder when they're going to put the dirt into the dump truck. Look at that big old concrete truck. Cement truck. There it goes. There goes the dirt. Whee! Look at there. All the dirt went in the dump truck. And they're going to get some more. There goes the cement truck. Bye-bye. Get all the dirt. Oh, it goes up high, doesn't it? That's a big old scooper. That's a lot of dirt. I wonder how many scoops the bulldozer can hold. I mean, not the bulldozer, the dump truck. I wonder how many scoops of dirt the dump truck can hold. He's already got 2, that makes 3. 3 scoops. Here comes scoop number 4. Oh look, they're washing the concrete truck off. They got to get all that concrete off before it dries. That's 5 scoops. I think is that 7 scoops? Got him smooth it all down so it doesn't come out. It gets full. There it goes. I'm gonna take that dirt away. Go right by the cement truck. See, the man's got a hose and he's washing off the cement from the cement truck. Oh, he's still shoveling. It's getting it ready for when the dump truck comes back.